All right, here's the second part of the engine block teardown. We're gonna pull the lifters out, pull the cam out, and get all the pistons and all that stuff out. So stay tuned, smash that follow button, hit the like button, follow along. Okay, there's that. Now we can get the lifters out and pull that cam out. Okay, the lifters are held in by these plastic trays, and what these do is they stop the lifters from rotating because they are a roller hydraulic lifter. And if they rotated in there, it would be very bad. So the tray should come out and the lifter should come out with them, but it doesn't always happen like that. So what I like to do is just grab some needle nose, pop them out like that. If they don't want to come out, just rotate them a little bit. Okay, lifters are out. Now we can pull the camshaft out. All right, now gently, without banging it around, go ahead and slide it out. It's gonna clang a little bit, but I like to get a big long screwdriver in there. That way I can lift the back part of it up. There she is, camshaft out. Now remember to inspect. The lobes look pretty good, so put that off to the side somewhere. Out of room here. So now, in order to get the rear cover off, we got to put it up back on the engine hoist. Take this flex plate off, get the rear cover off, and then we can put it back on the stand, flip it over, and then take the crankshaft out. Get the hoist out. You got your engine flipped over, gotta take that windage tray off of there. It's just held on by a 13mm nut. I think now we can start undoing these rod caps, get these pistons out of there. Also, something you want to do is mark each cap and rod for the cylinder orientation. So I'm going to do that with a little Dremel, but that way you know where they go and know how to put them back together. Okay, now that those are all marked, we can start taking them apart. So these rod bolts are 11mm. Easy to push them. All right, pistons are out. Of course, you want to inspect these as well. Just look for, look at the rods, make sure they're not bent. Check the bearings, make sure there's not any like crazy scoring or anything like that. Because if they're scoring on these, then your crankshaft's probably damaged as well. So, yeah, inspect those. Inspect your rod journals on the crankshaft. Okay, let's get that thing out of there. All right, before you take these off, I like to mark these as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if you notice that there's a little bump out on each one that goes towards the back of the engine, or you can put an arrow when you mark it, and then the back one faces forwards. Okay, so I'm gonna mark these, and then I'm gonna go ahead and crack these loose. I believe these are 13 mils, and I'm just gonna put you on time lapse for that because it's fairly simple. You just loosen these, take them all out. Moment of truth. That looks like a good bearing to me. Oop, lost the bolt. Oh, I made it all dirty. Okay, now only thing left to do, lift out the crank. Those look pretty good. Not disappointed at all. You can even see the machine marks still. Awesome. All right, now I just got to pop those bearings out and get the cam bearings out, but that'll be in the next video because this one's getting kind of long. Remember to keep everything organized. Organization is key, you guys. This is that thing that I 3D printed. It didn't come out so good, but it works for now. I'm printing another one right now, but next video will be slamming those cam bearings out and just general cleanup. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Stay tuned for the next video. Hit that follow button, hit the like button, tell your friends. Have a good one. Ella Swap Everything.